Hey guys, it's Crystal Renee here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for joining. Today's video will be quite different. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to cook my chicken enchilada casserole. So to check out these easy steps, stay tuned. First, you're going to boil 4 to 5 skinless chicken breasts in chicken broth. Season to your liking and cook till tender. So once your chicken is nice and tender, you want to put it into a large bowl and you use 2 forks to shred the chicken. And as you shred, you want to add a little bit of juice from the pot to remain its moisture so that your chicken is not dry. You will then continue this step until all of your chicken is shredded up. Be sure to cover your chicken to keep warm. Once your chicken is done, choose tortillas of your choice and heat up a pan and add your oil. Carefully place your hand over the pan just to check to see if the oil is nice and hot. Then you add your tortilla. I will show you here how to do the first tortilla, and then I will be speeding this process up. For this dish, I cooked a total of 18 tortillas. This is how your tortilla should look when finished. Choose a red sauce of your choice. This is the one I like to use. And you pour that into a hot pan to warm. Stir it nice and gentle. Make sure that it's evenly heated up. Once heated, you will add a layer of sauce at the bottom of the pan that you plan to use to layer your casserole. Here I am using a medium to large size glass pan. Once that step is done, you're going to want to sauce at least 6 of your tortillas on both sides and layer it at the bottom of your pan. At this point, you can add all of your chicken to your sauce and stir it accordingly so that it is all nice and covered. Once this step is done, your chicken should look nice and saturated in its sauce. And this is what you will use to layer over the top of your 6 tortillas that you just layered at the bottom of your pan, like so. Next, you're going to take your shredded cheese and you're going to layer it on top of your chicken. Then you're going to take your green onions and chop that over your layer of cheese. Now this step is optional because some people do not like the taste of cilantro, but I chose to put some in mine because I like the taste of cilantro, so you want to chop some of that over that layer as well. Then you want to repeat these steps all over again on your next layer, as you see me doing here. So this is what your pan should look like once everything is nice and layered. And if you happen to have any sauce left remaining in your pan, you just want to drizzle it over the top of your casserole. Place it in the oven and bake on 350 temp for about 15 to 20 minutes. And your casserole should look something like this. Just look at those layers. Time to cut and place it on your plate to enjoy. Look at that. Lots of chicken and cheese and sauce. Look at that. You can't tell me that casserole don't look bomb.com. Just wanted to give you guys a little glimpse inside of the pan. But this is what I can't wait to get my hands on. Guys, I know I'm not Hispanic, but I think they got some competition when it comes to my chicken enchilada casserole. You guys try this recipe and let me know for yourself. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. And until next time, enjoy peace, spread love, and be blessed. Peace.